Hey, yo, bro, how expensive was your tablet again?
Oh, this tablet?
No, the new one you got.
Oh, that one's old. Okay.
How much
It
was it?
was 67 bucks.
And how much? And is that a lot to you?
Oh no, that's the entire world to me.
And tell me, did you just get this?
Oh yeah, I got it yesterday for my birthday.
Hey, see that sauna down there? You wanna go chill in it?
Sure.
No, jump down.
It burns! My iPad. Broken.
Guys, we gotta run. he's coming for me. Buy a quick weapon. He's coming. He's coming. I shouldn't have thrown his iPad. See you later, sucker. I think we lost him. Oh, we didn't listen. I think we lost him.
I just smashed my iPad, buddy.
How was that so? Boing! You can't catch me! You're not big anymore! You're not big anymore! Guys, we need to hit this. Oh crap! Let's hit this. Let's hit this. Let's hit these. Let's hit one. Woo! You'll never catch us now, guys. Turn left and look. Stop! Some flips. We need to quickly get on that zip line. Before he gets down here.
I'm already here!
Run! 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 Yep, the winner comes on top. Now for the finishing touch.